This is a room review of my room at the Tropicana Laughlin, the Promenade Tower. Bathroom here, the tub and shower. These are two queen beds. Comes with a TV with a remote. In-room coffee maker. Your heat and air conditioning controls. And this is on the third floor, so you get a view of the parking garage out the back. Stayed at this hotel many a times. It is exceptionally clean and the beds are comfortable. The most reasonable rates that I have found, if you are a Players Club member, it is through Caesars Rewards, and they give me the best rates. This particular room does have an ironing board and iron, however no wall safe. In the bathroom there is some complimentary water as well as some toiletries, along with a hair dryer. If it's important to you, if you have a Riverview room, it would have to be on the casino tower. This one, however, this casino and hotel is across the street from the river, so you will never have a true Riverview room. However, these are one of the nicest rooms that I've had in Laughlin by far. View from the 12th floor casino tower. There is no charge for parking. The hotel has a theme of a railroad, and at one time there was a railroad that comes around here that you could ride on. In the early 2000s they discontinued that, and the train is in a park near Las Vegas. On the Promenade Tower, if you had a rear facing room, you would get a close-up of the mountains here on the higher levels. The facility also has an RV parking for self-contained RVs, and the RV lot is the furthest from the hotel in the back.